So while Matt is talking to his mum, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Matty's car is back. Our project car is here. It's here, guys. So today is a bit of an update video to tell you guys kind of what went on and so on. Yeah, there's a video that's going to be before this that's obviously showing you guys the painted rocket cover and stuff like that, but I'm going to show you guys kind of around the car. I'm not going to show you guys around the car because it's locked. There we go. What went down? Did that? Oh, it did work. I about ripped. Sorry, Matty, about ripped the handle off. So if you guys didn't know, you need to kind of watch the last video, which is either side. But go watch that video and you kind of understand the concept of kind of behind this video and why we're making this video and the update on it. So this is the second update. So as you can see, Matty's engine looks a hell of a lot better. There's a lot less oil over everything. So if you didn't know from the previous video, we showed you guys the turbo, which is tucked just down there. The turbo literally blew up. Oh shit. Matty, big problem. Like, I'm not even kidding.
What?
The keys are inside and it's locked itself.
You're fucking.
I'm not. I swear
Why
on
have you left
the keys are there.
Are you absolutely?
I don't.
Are you kidding me?
No. Look, the keys are just there. Can you guys see? The rip.
I hope this is it. The only spare key. Fucking knobhead.
Shit. Yeah, so this is the rocker cover that we painted. Roses feel so bad. See, that would never happen on mine. That would never happen. I left the key inside. I don't know. We actually polished this up as well. We painted this, we painted that. And obviously Matty's had the turbo done now, so it all looks pretty good. But today's objective is to get the rest of the oil off, kind of like the gearbox and the subframe and stuff like that, because it's disgusting. And also to replace this because it's cracked, which you can probably see just there. This is the last key. Oh my god, yeah. Wait, keep doing that. That's a good noise.
Poly bushes are needed.
Okay. I know I kind of haven't explained this properly, but today's goal is to give this engine a really good clean. So that's obviously why we bought all the brake cleaner and stuff like that. It's because it breaks down oil and it helps loosen oil, so we can kind of scrub it off, obviously underneath the engine where all the oil. If you didn't know, when the turbo kind of exploded, oil fucking went everywhere. Also going to be changing this pipe just here.
Stop. You've placed that fucking so awkward. Let me just keep that. Fuck it, if I die, it's your fault. Reload it.
Reload.
Do you reckon this is alright for the engines? Would we fucking spray and brake clean right now?
Probably not, but like, you know, if we'll send it and all that.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
So for everybody who's going to start commenting, we have made sure thoroughly that there is no electronic parts in this engine at all, so it's completely safe. Do not try this at home.
Yeah, look at that. That is literally like most of that. Probably not. This bit here is oil, but all this. No, but that's what's just come on. Yeah, I know, but all this shit here is obviously evaporate. Whoa, dude, you just went really close to the camera. Look at these plates, bro. Jeez. Yo, Matty, who can they go to for if they want 4D plates like this?
Shadow plates. Use code POV for 10% off. I didn't actually use it because you got sponsored after me. Yeah.
Fucking hell, it's like squeaky clean. So guys, this just here, where that connects into, is obviously the downpipe, and that was absolutely covered in oil. That's why it kept on smoking. As well, the back of the engine ain't the best, but it's a hell of a lot better. That was easy to do, apart from we had to take off the charge pipe, we had to take off that, we had to take off the turbo inlet elbow thing just here, and then we had to take off the strut brace as well. But apart from that, that was easy. You guys can see just how much kind of oil has come from the car. Like underneath, it's absolutely disgusting. Like, there's like little chunks of it as well just down here. It's gross. You can see it. Can you see it? The discoloration in the water. There you go, you can see it there. It's oil. Big words, bro. Big words for a big channel. Yeah, we're putting the charge pipe on now. We literally just put this on and we tightened it all the way up, and then we realised we have to angle it to come up this way. So yeah, that was great. Good job, Josh. So yeah, I'm now loosening that. Now we can put this on, put that on, we can put the charge pipe on. Yes, this is the new part as well. We've had a good look over it. It looks really good. Cleaned as well. Some of the oil residue was still left in here. Cleaned all the oil out of here, so now it's squeaky clean, which is good. And obviously cleaned the oil out of here, so there should be no oil in the system. Shouldn't be burning any oil. Matty's just, look, this is what happens, guys. I just end up working on Matty's car. Matty does nothing. And there we go, boys and girls. Engine is pretty much put back together now. There's one thing though on this car that annoys me, and it's this. So this is from the N249, I believe. It's like put on here, but you have to kind of leave it on, if that makes sense, or you can put a resistor kind of in the plug. Now if anybody knows what like rating the resistor you actually put in here, can you guys send me a message on Instagram? I'll leave my Instagram just here, or you can just comment down below what you think it is, or what you know it is, or whatever. That'd be great, because then we can get rid of this and not have this stupid thing rolling around in the engine bay. Ready to air out? Okay, one sec. Right, I'm airing out. smoke. Right.
What?
There's a bit of smoke, there's good smoke. It's just burning off all the APC, innit? Actually smells really nice. What is that? It's up.
So that £19 shit I bought was actually okay?
The what?
The £19 fucking...
Yeah, that's good.
Right.
It sounds like it's coming from underneath though.
Yeah, it's going to be the... because the only thing I've done is the gasket from the turbo to the downpipe.
Say goodbye then. You got to do the outro. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. My hair looks a mess. Spent 7 hours at work today. I came home and before I could do anything, I've been out here cleaning my engine from oil. It's currently about 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
About 5 o'clock. I've not slept in approximately 24 hours. Look like shit. I felt like shit.
It's all about the full send.
And it's still fucking broke, so I feel like shit. So yeah, full sends only. Good night, guys. Andy? Yeah, so we're going to be forging the outside of the engine, not the inside. There's like pistons and that. Are you zoomed in on?
No, I'm not zoomed in at all.
You are alright.
Nice.
Yeah, we do need to do a buyer's guide as well on this. Just it will literally the video will be like 15 seconds long. It'll be like, hi guys, welcome to the video. All you need to do is just not buy a shit one, then you'll be fine. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. It was a little bit of an update video. There is more coming obviously on this car. We've got a few products as well that need to be reviewed because a few companies actually reached out to us, so they're wanting to help out the channel. Today has been moderately successful. Obviously we cleaned all the engine bay. You can see how much shit came out from the engine bay, how much oil and stuff. It now just smells of like all-purpose cleaner, which is kind of okay. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh, this has been Matty. Let me just find him. This has been Matty.
I'm fucking gay.
And that was our video. Peace out guys, put myself in the eye. Bye.